this lesson, I am going to show you how to create this frosted glass effects in Premiere Pro. To do that, first of all, I'm going to duplicate the clip on the timeline and then head over to Tools, select the rectangle tool, and then create a rectangular shape in the preview. And then head over to Essential Graphics and make sure the fill is set to white. And then increase the radius value to create rounded corners. And then within Align, you can make sure the shape is properly centralized. And then head over to the timeline and increase the duration of the rectangle depending on how long you want the effects to last. And then select the duplicated clip, head over to Effects and search for Gaussian Blur. Click and drag the effect onto the duplicated clip and then head over to Effects again and search for Track Matte key. And then click and drag the effect onto the duplicated clip again. And then head over to Effects Controls, scroll down to Gaussian Blur and increase the value to 150 or your preference depending on how much frost you want. And then head over to Track Matte key and set matte to video 3 and then composite using to matte luma. If you are not satisfied with the frost, you can increase the blurriness value. For example, I'm going to increase this to 200. Now that's the frost right there. Next, I'm going to add a border line. To do that, I'm going to duplicate the rectangle on the timeline and then head over to Essential Graphics. Uncheck the fill and check stroke and set the value to whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to leave it at 1. Now there you see the border right there. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.